Hi guys, so this is a video I've actually been waiting to do for almost a month. I pre-ordered the Razer True Wireless Hammerhead earphones and they've arrived. I did post a picture on Instagram about 3 or 4 days ago, but I've only had this evening to try and get this video done, and I really wanted to open this up and share my experience with you with that. They came from Razer Direct, they're £99. I'll put a link in the description. If you order them from Razer, you get a pouch, which I wasn't overly fussed about, but it was free of charge. And they may have sales on coming up with the holiday time, so you might get them slightly cheaper. I'm not saying you will, but for £99, I was quite pleased with them. You probably know my AirPods, the history on them. Apple AirPods, they've been absolutely great, no problems. Apart from the battery life now, it's currently down to 15 minutes. It was about 25, then it went to 20. Now it's 15 minutes playtime before one cuts out and then the other one follows. And it's just a pain. So when I heard about these, I literally put my name down for pre-order, but by the time I did the order, they'd sold out. Let's do unboxing, let's see what they're like, try them out, and then I'll give you my initial impression. Let's do it. So as I mentioned, because I ordered it from Razer Direct, I did get the pouch free of charge. It didn't cost me anything, but Razer may have this on for offer. Obviously at the time of doing this video, you may need to check their site out. I will put a link in the description. This is what we're more interested in, the Razer Hammerhead True Wireless. So look around the box, ultra low latency, water resistant design, tuned drivers, which I already covered, Bluetooth 5.0, the water resistant, and obviously the touch enabled assistant is fine. For me personally, I didn't really use Hey Siri, hope my phone won't go off. I didn't use that in any shape or form. Charging case, and you also have some earbud sleeves as well. So let's just get straight into the box. Razer obviously do offer a 2-year warranty with this as well. Box is quite nice presentation. I always do like the Razer packaging, something about it. Let's get this open. Ooh. Come on, I can get them. I want them. Don't. That's it. Okay. So leaflets, letter from Razer. With your work or play, deserve the best audio experience. So if you want that, you can. Feel free to pause the video. It's nothing special. Your books, I'm not too worried about that. This is what I care about. Charging case. Very, very light. Very light. Very nice. Magnetic. Green charging. Oh, USB-C. Perfect as well. Cable. Again, nice presentation. Oh, loop strap. So if you want a loop strap, you can use that if you want. I personally won't. So USB-C, USB-A, nice cable as well. Very, very nice. Very well presented. Razer really do look out and look after their customers, that's for sure. And of course, here they are. Oh, I am so happy about this. Now, they are very, very light. You can actually see the green Razer logo as well. They're not RGB from what I can tell. Got the magnetics to hold them in place. Very similar design to the AirPods as well. And these are your sleeves as well. So I think what we'll do is, let's open this up. Don't know how much charge they have in there. So you've got indicators there for left and right. So left in there, right in there. Nice magnetic. Yep, seems again very light. Comparing it to my AirPods, obviously there's no wireless charging. USB-C is absolutely fine. I really don't have an issue with that. I think I'd rather have the amount of audio that I can play. See what the magnetics are like. They seem okay. Just see if they don't drop. So the actual lid wise, yeah, they're not dropping. Let's just see what the magnets are like themselves. So just hang it upside down. So they're not holding in. So magnets, they're okay, but they're not the best. That's my honest opinion. But just open them up the right way, you should be fine. So what I'll do now is get them charged up, connect into my iPhone, see what they sound like. Be right back. Okay, so they've been on charge now for about half an hour. So red LED to indicate they're charging. When they are fully charged, it goes to green. If you get a low battery, it will go to amber. I don't know if you get any other audio warnings unless they do cut out, so I'm just going to simply disconnect it. Pairing these, dead simple. Go to your Bluetooth devices, look for Razer Hammerhead True Wireless, click it, and you get a voice telling you they are connected. It honestly is that simple. There's nothing complex about it whatsoever. So what we'll do for the first time, we'll get these out. I haven't put the sleeves on, so I'm actually using these as if I was using AirPods. So we'll try them out for the first time. So one ear, two ear. Okay, says they're connected. So what we'll do, using my iPhone, let's go into Spotify and let's play this song. Obviously for YouTube purposes and copyright, I'm obviously not going to let you listen to it, but I can tell you one thing. Right, that is loud. That is absolutely freaking loud. Louder than my AirPods, truth be told. They are absolutely brilliant. I don't think I can really let you hear this. Okay, that's all I'm going to play. But honestly, they really, really are that good. They absolutely sound brilliant. I'm just going to find another track. And let's find another track. Sophie B. Hawkins. So I honestly don't need them that loud at all. They really, really are, but I mean, they're bloody good. They are bloody good. This is a bit of a mix of bass. That's very clear. I can't even hear myself. That is absolutely bloody clear. Very, very good. Now, one thing I didn't realise, also have a gaming mode. So I'm actually going to do a follow-up video because I want to play Call of Duty Mobile and see what they sound like in gaming mode. You also, as I mentioned, you've also got touch features on here, so you can basically press and hold to answer and end a call, hold it for 2 seconds, you can reject a call, double tap to skip a track, and I think you can triple tap and you can go back a track. That's what I've discovered in the past 5 minutes, but honestly, these are now my go-to wireless earbuds. There is no question. These can go, because this is brilliant. I will do a follow-up review because clearly I want to make sure that you guys don't waste your money. £99 is a lot, but considering that these were, I think those were about 149 when they first came out, and I've had them for about a couple of years almost, and they just really have died for death. But I do like these. I'm actually quite pleased with them, to be honest with you. But if you are looking for wireless in-ear earbuds, I don't think you could go wrong with these at all. I truly think the whole package here is great. As I said to you, I haven't actually used the sleeves yet. The overall packaging I love, absolutely love it, and I've always loved Razer products. People that know I've done reviews on Razer products before. Small disclaimer, I do not get paid for any of this, so this is basically me paying out for the product because I wanted to use it myself. So there you have it. Now, a couple of things that I wanted to cover that I forgot to mention. that is latency. That is when you're watching video in the audio and it's not in sync. I'm currently watching a YouTube video now, so it's playing in my ear for the True Wireless, but everything is in sync. So the words and the audio are completely in sync. There's nothing out of sync in any shape or form, which is good. And the other thing that I think is really cool, a bit like the AirPods, is that you can actually listen to music in one, put the other one away, and whether it's left or right. So if you're in a dull, boring meeting and you want to look like you're concentrating, just put one in your ear, cover your ear. It will obviously play the audio. Just don't have it too loud. It works for me, but that's just me. So if you want to just listen to one, you can, so you're not restricted to listening to two. I've also tried it on my PC, so I run a Windows 10 PC, it's got Bluetooth, and I'm actually going to try a few games out with this as well, so it'd be interesting to see that. But watching a YouTube video as well, that's been in sync. So I'm really quite excited about this. So I believe I've covered everything that I believe needs to be covered in this initial review. If you did like the video, please give it a thumbs up, that's always appreciated. I do pay for this myself, not sponsored in any shape or form. I just want to make sure that from a buying perspective, like you, £100 is a lot, but when I compare it to what I've been paying for these, and they've let me down, for £99, I truly don't think you can go wrong with that at all. So if you have questions or comments, put them in the video down below. You can catch me on Instagram, Snapchat and Twitter, and I will be sharing my experience on Instagram mainly as well. But as always, thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. It was a lot of fun listening to music. It was pretty damn cool, and I'm so excited to have these, and I think you will too. So if you can get them in any sort of like holiday season sale, don't hesitate, just pick them up. Even if they're post Christmas sales and they've gone down in price, I'm not sure they will, pick them up, just buy them. As always, thank you very much. I will see you in the very next video.